AVNation.tv. We are here in the Kramer booth at ISE 2019 in lovely Amsterdam. I'm here with Yuval. Yuval, how you doing, buddy?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Great to see you again. We are in the Spaceship.
Correct.
This is it's a really cool room. But more importantly, it tells a really fantastic story. So everyone knows that Kramer has been in audio, but I don't always know if everyone understands how much audio you do.
Right.
So let's talk about this whole audio chain, start to finish, what Kramer's doing.
Right. At the beginning, well, we are doing not audio, we're doing Pro AV. We were born with the AV industry. We are a Pro AV company, we just take the A very seriously. So we understand the differences between Pro audio guys that we like and appreciate very much. But we also understand our customer and their actual needs on a day-to-day basis. So we came up with the whole chain of audio, start to finish. Everything in audio, we cover your needs. Meaning we have the new sources side of it. So if you want an on-ramp to Dante, 2 microphones, put them into a Dante box, PoE, very easy to put it into the Dante network.
Right.
We have every cable that you ever need regarding audio. Dante cables, other cables, speaker cables, bulk assembly, everything. We are big in cables.
Right.
So we do that in audio as well. Processors, 3 different sizes of processors. The small one, handy box, the DSP one, the medium-sized one, which is a new introduction for this show.
Right.
We'll talk about it in a second. And the flagship, which we introduced last year, 1,000 Dante IOs, Kramer network server, the whole thing.
Ridiculously large DSP.
Ridiculously large,
Okay.
exactly.
Beyond that,
Came to amplifiers. Once again, we know our market, so PA240Z that we introduced last year is exactly that. High Z, low Z in the same box, built-in DSP, line level outputs, mixable 2 inputs inside, small form factor,
Right.
layers of defense so it will never get damaged because our guys are not really into the nuances of audio sometimes.
Yeah.
You cannot ruin these boxes. So we did the same thing, we just added a Dante connectivity to it as well.
Very nice.
Once again, you want to send and connect things together. You have local input, Dante connectivity, and in the end, we're introducing the FC101, taking Dante to analog. So you have active ports, legacy amplifiers,
Right.
powered speakers, you can add Dante to them, giving you the whole change, start to finish. That's possible.
not to mention, of course, you do have speakers as well.
Yeah, about 30 different types of speakers, every type of speaker you can need, we have
So let's
it.
talk for a minute about why having that front-to-back chain is so important. Because there's a lot of places you can go, there's a lot of systems you can design where you have to piecemeal. You have to grab different parts from different manufacturers.
Right.
Why is it so important to be able to provide that entire end-to-end chain from one manufacturer?
The last thing I want to have is a customer that has 7 support guys on the phone that he needs to call. This guy sits in Germany, this guy sits in Canada. I don't want to do that. I want him to order a product and have the whole list of products
Right.
coming on time. My customers, integrators want to stock up on goods and just use what they need. So these are a bunch of nuances. I want everything to work together. Interoperability should be perfect. I don't want anyone calling, sending a command of control protocol that doesn't really work. So we need to cover that whole business for them. And it means lots of products, big deals, big discounts, everything is synced together. It's very comfortable
Right.
for us. We have a full plan for the year for our customers. We are really going into this business together. This is our family business. And we see not our employees' family, our customers. We are going with them hand in hand 40 years. We're going to do the next 40 as well. That's the plan. That's what we're doing.
That's fantastic. So let's talk for just a quick second before we get to the DSP.
Yeah.
How do you go about ensuring that your customers, your integrators, are up to speed on all the latest codecs, all the latest ways in which your DSPs work?
Right. We did in the last 6 months or 8 months the whole rejuvenation of the Kramer Academy, online courses, certifications. We are trying to give as much information as possible, just to share information, share the knowledge, go on locations. I myself travel the world to see
Right.
people, to see customers, to
I've
go.
sat in your trainings, they're good.
Been doing it for a while. I'm trying to do what we can,
Very good. All right, let's talk DSP.
Okay.
You've got a brand new 20-port audio DSP. It's a matrix. But the big difference and the big thing that you really don't see is it's completely configurable.
Yeah.
And when I say completely, correct me if I'm wrong, but you can literally change that configuration any way you want on the fly.
Correct. The idea is
Tell me a little bit about it, come on.
this is a box that says yes to all.
Okay.
Yes to all. Whatever you need, we have it. I'm an audio guy for the last a lot of years. I don't want to admit the number. I know how annoying it is to have a box that posts that you have 12 inputs, 8 outputs, and you need one more input. You don't use all the outputs, and you just buy another box. I
Right.
didn't want to do that. We want to be able, it's the same connector. Let us as a company figure out the connectivity in the box. You as a customer choose how many inputs you need, how many outputs you need.
Okay.
We'll figure it out for you. So this box has 20 ports. You can assign inputs and outputs in any combination that you want. And in addition to that, we are a video company. We have on that box HDMI connectivity in and out. We are dealing with digital audio. There will be Dante in this box, SPD in this box. You need to sync clocks, sample rates. We do that for you. You don't
Clock sync as well.
Yeah, everything is synced inside the box. HDMI coming in, we take the audio, mix it with 4 microphones, send it to the Dante, and to the built-in power amplifier inside the box. This box says yes to all.
Talking amplification, what are we talking as far as specs?
We have inside there 120 watts of power to high Z or 2x16 to low Z. This box does both high Z and low Z.
Okay.
Yeah, basically every need of the industry. Big splitting space, you want to have 6, 7 speakers in ceiling because it's the acoustic design. You can do it high Z, you need big front speakers, low Z. We have everything. This box says yes to all.
That's fantastic. And again, 20 inputs. They can be mic, line, speaker. It doesn't matter. Correct. Whatever you want, you can do it.
Correct.
That is fantastic. When is this one going to be available?
We are talking about June-ish.
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 I love it. All right, so we will be able to see it most likely at ISE, hands-on. Or sorry, at Infocom. My mistake. Thank you so much for your time. Yuval, if people want to get more information about, obviously, front-to-end audio, all of the video and AV side of everything else that you do, as well as Kramer Academy, where can they do that?
Everything in the KramerAV.com. This is where we are all the time.
Excellent. Thanks again, my friend.
Pleasure.
Appreciate it. For more coverage from ISE 2019 and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.